Main teams in Asia that could get the competition before is 13 times Iran and 4 times Japan, and some of the players of Japan already won the AFC in 2022, so it's a really strong opponent, and I think we must give our best version to have chance to defeat them.
Okay, thank you. And Peter,
Iqbal.
please translate for Peter. Thank you.
Translate
Share a few words.
Translate in English. Untuk pertandingan besok, seperti yang dikatakan oleh Coach Hector, Jepang dua dari salah satu tim yang terbaik juga, diunggulkan juga. Beberapa dari mereka juga udah pernah ketemu sama kita juga di Kuwait di 2022. Yang pasti besok saya sebagai pemain insya Allah siap untuk memberikan yang terbaik. Itu aja sih.
Okay, tomorrow will be so tough. Each team has already champion in 2022. The team said he will give best for tomorrow for Indonesia.
So that's it. Okay. Thank you. And now we move to the questions. Please keep your questions short and clear and relating to this tournament only. Thank you. Okay, please.
Hi, I'm Taka Kawai from Japan. I would like to ask Iqbal, many players have learned from Kensuke Takahashi, the manager. And I want to know, how do you feel about facing him in this competition? And also, if you have any memorable episode with him, please I would be happy if you share with us. Thank you.
In English, in Indonesia. Ya, udah ngerti. Yang pasti ya senang ya bisa ketemu Coach Ken lagi. Sekali lagi ini bukan kali pertama bertemu Coach Ken di Kuwait. Ketemu juga walaupun waktu itu dia masih jadi asisten pelatih. Tahun lalu juga kita ketemu juga di Four Nation. Dia udah jadi pelatih kepala. Kalau saya pribadi sih ya dilakukan secara personal sama profesional aja sih gitu, seperti itu.
It's so happy meet him again. Like the last time he met Mr. Ken being an assistant coach, but in the Kuwait,
Yes.
Kuwait is he is being head coach, and he's so happy to meet Mr. Ken again.
I will make it like a professional.
No translation for this? Okay.
Already English.
Okay, thank you. Let's move on. Any questions from player? No other question for player? Okay, let's move to the for player, right? Okay, please.
Iqbal,
Yeah.
Kumar from the AFC. This is the first time Indonesia is making the semifinals. You will have a full stadium, I'm sure, and a full stadium of fans, and you will have maybe the whole of Indonesia looking at your team. How do you keep your teammates relaxed and calm under all this pressure?
About Sporter. For us, Sporter player, the 6 player, they give us spirit, and then they make us more spirit in match. I think that point plus for us. about team, we never enough. Like coach always say, we never enough. Don't keep humble, stay humble. I think we need like that.
Okay, thank you. So let's move to the questions for head coach. Okay. Please. Okay, so yeah, for head coach, right? Or still for player, okay, please.
Oke, Iqbal,
Ya.
di tahun 2022 kan Indonesia kalahnya tuh dramatis kan?
Iya.
Detik terakhir jadi, tapi nggak disahin golnya.
Iya.
Apakah itu jadi motivasi khusus untuk balas dendam lah misalnya? Terima kasih.
Mengenai gol nggak disain atau enggak, kalau saya pribadi sih nggak ada alasan ya, no reason. Kalau kalah ya kalah aja gitu. Selebihnya ya kita introspeksi untuk kedepannya gitu. Untuk balas dendam ya balik lagi sih ini personal sama profesional sih. Kita juga sempat mengalahkan Jepang juga kan di Four Nation, itu jadi salah satu bukti juga kita juga bisa memberikan perlawanan gitu sih. Untuk pertandingan besok yang pasti insya Allah kita bakal maksimal dan mengikuti game plan dari arahan dari pelatih sih, seperti itu.
And could you please help to translate your question as well? Yeah, thank you.
I know. You need to
Yes,
translate in
please.
English.
Yeah,
for them.
into English. Yeah, thank you.
Maybe we lost in Kuwait in 2022, and for the revenge, we
Iya gitu, kita lakuin secara personal profesional aja sih.
and Indonesia team will be professional. So we want to like the tomorrow match will be the best of ours.
Okay, thank you. Let's move to the questions for head coach. Yeah, please.
Pay attention.
Hello, good morning, Coach Hector. So, if I am not mistaken, you several times said that you never satisfied enough with some positive result with Timnas. So I want to know what is until what level you will feel satisfied with this achievement for this national team. Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you for the question. I will answer you in 2 words, okay? Until champion.
Okay, thank you. Okay, any other question?
Hello, Coach. I'm Ikhwan from CNN Indonesia. The question is quite similar from the first question about Coach Kensuke, because he knows several players of Indonesian on and off the pitch. They might know their weakness too. How do you cope with that?
First of all, for me it's a pleasure to meet Mr. Kensuke Takahashi. He's a good friend of mine. He played in Spain when I started as assistant coach and physical coach. He played in Caja Segovia and Gestesa Guadalajara. I appreciate that players that from their country play abroad. And he brought here to Indonesia in the very first time he worked here many of the tactical things that we were implementing in Spain, because we have to recognize that Japan started to do what we are doing nowadays 10 or 15 years ago. And to be honest, I respect him so much because his team is, I'm sorry to say, but a really Spanish professional style. They are so dynamic, they play so well. I really appreciate the way they play. I hope one day we can play that level, because it's the things we are trying to implement in trainings. And regarding he knows the players, it's a pleasure for me that he knows our players. It's a pleasure for me that they have pretty good relationship. And I feel really well with this kind of relationship. Yesterday, if you could see with Vietnamese player, I have a pretty good relationship as well, because they were my students, some of them during 6 years. So this just say that our sport is great worldwide, and I'm really happy my players and his former players can meet him, and I hope our players can do well and defeat his current players.
Okay, thank you. Any other questions? Okay, we come to finish of this press conference, and we'll invite Team Japan here to make a group photo. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Terima kasih.
I was standing up and you didn't like. One more photo. Yeah. Thank you. Bueno. Players in the middle or coaches in the middle? Coaches in the middle. Stephen Zubia. Thank you very much. Gracias. Prepárate que mañana vamos preparados. Vamos.
Stay updated. Info terkini masih banyak. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan share YouTube official OKZone. Dan selengkapnya ada di okezone.com.